Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dafal Fatir from 12th class Computer and Network Engineer 3. Today I want to tell you how to crimping a UTP cable. The materials and tools for crimping UTP cable. The first is a UTP cable, the second is RG45 connector, the third is a crimping tool, the fourth is a cable stripper, and the last is LAN tester. The first, strip about 2 centimeters of the outer sheets of the UTP cable using a cable stripper. The second, arrange the wires according to the T568A or T568B standard. The third, trim the wire ends to be even and neat. The fourth, insert the wires into the RG45 connectors following the color order. The 5. Use the crimping tool to securely press the connector. And the last step, test the connection using a LAN tester, ensure proper functionality. Thank you for attention. I hope it is useful for you. Bye bye.